Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your international life coach, a tarot and oracle card reader, an energy healer, and now a podcast host. For this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of May. This is for my dear Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. So for those na hindi pa nakakapag-generate na kanilang natal birth chart, I suggest you generate yours. So kindly go to the description section. I got there a link that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Aquarius as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading. Because based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Aquarius, let's now proceed on getting to know your angel number na might be there is a message for you na kailangan mong malaman. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Aquarius. So we have 1, 2, 6, and 4. Kindly go to Google search engine, my dear Aquarius. Type in 1264. Might be there is a certain message na kailangan mong malaman for this particular reading. So you might be seeing a lot of 111s, 1111, tatlong 1, 111, 222, or 1212, 666, 444, and 101010. I was drawn to the 101010 at the side. So maaring there is a certain message for you here with this certain angel number as a confirmation of this particular reading. So before we proceed on the card that I have shown in the teaser, let's get you the overall theme of your life for the month of May. Ano ba yung magiging tema ng month of May mo for this particular month? What will be the theme? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the general theme? So we have here Neptune. So with Neptune, your fantasies, yearnings, longings, and potential for illusion. So this particular month, my dear Aquarius, it's time for you to pay attention to your dreams. Maaring recently you're having vivid dreams, very realistic dreams, or something about what have you been dreaming about, ano yung pinapangarap mo, will be the focus of your month of May. So probably you're dreaming about having a relationship, having a partner, having a successful business, to be a successful entrepreneur. So maaring there is something about your dreams that will be manifesting in your reality this particular month of May. Pero syempre, we had to be also mindful ano yung pinagtutuunan naman natin ng pansin. What are the energies that we are focusing on? Because that is the energies that we are attracting. So for this particular month, probably your current energy, we have here the Six of Wands. So there would be success on the horizon for your career, your love life, your finances. Magkakaroon ng tagumpay. There would be success. You will be achieving whatever you will be wanting to achieve. But for you to be able to achieve that, kailangan mo mag-strategize. You need to set the intentions and the goals on how you will be achieving the outcome. So how will you be able to achieve success? By strategizing, by trying to address ano ba yung mga dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin as of the moment. Kasi if you're just going to be too attached to the particular outcome which is your dream reality, and you are not doing anything about it, then walang mangyayari. So for you to be able to achieve the outcome or the goal, the future that you want to manifest, you need to set the intentions and the goals by trying to be present, focusing on the things that needs your attention. And also, it's time for you to appreciate, recognize your progress kasi sometimes nagmamadali tayo to achieve the outcome that we are neglecting small things in our reality. We are neglecting our progress. We are too fixated on wanting more. So masyado tayong nagmamadali to achieve the certain outcome that we are forgetting to be present. So the obstacle that you are needing to overcome this month is healing. So dahil sa pagmamadali mo to get the outcome, to get the success, get the the abundance, get that relationship, you are neglecting your healing from certain traumas and issues that you had experienced from the past. So for you to be able to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with other people, career man yan, financial situation man yan, you need to have that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. So it's not the important thing that we need to do is to fix or establish relationship or fix the situation around us. It's also important to fix ourselves. What are the certain traumas and issues that we needed to address? Ano ba yung mga traumas and issues? What are they? So if you came from a broken family, separated parents, or you had been deceived, you had been cheated, you had been betrayed, those are the certain traumas and issues that sometimes we are neglecting to address kasi we wanted to shove it off. Kumbaga parang we wanted to disregard it. Akala natin it will not be affecting us in the near future. But in reality, if we're just going to just set it aside without addressing that we had been hurt, we had experienced those certain traumas and issues, magre-resurface din siya in a certain situation if we will be triggered by another situation that looks like that. Okay, so it's time for us to heal from those certain traumas and issues. It might be physically healing. Maaring for some of you, you are currently injured physically, so you need to focus on your healing rather than magmadaling gumaling, rather than fasting the certain process or progress. So try to be present. And for some of you, this is healing from a broken heart, probably from a breakup. So it's time for you to process everything. Kasi there is no use na pag minadali mo to another relationship without processing it, you will be repeating the same old cycle. As I've said, we have here the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is the slowest knight of the tarot. So, maaring for some of us, nagmamadali tayo to achieve the outcome. This is telling us what you needed to do in the near future is to slow down. Huwag kang magmadali. Strategize. Prepare yourself for what you wanted to manifest into your reality, my dear Aquarius. So, let's clarify. So, what is this Six of Wands? Clarify natin. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. What is this Six of Wands? Let's clarify the Six of Wands. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Kindly give me the answer. So, deceptions, as I said. So, for some of you, you had been deceived, you had been betrayed. So, it's time for you to address them. Na nasaktan ka, you had been hurt, you had experienced this certain situation. And also, it's time for you to reassess why have you been feeling this certain situation. Or for some of you, hindi man totally betrayal that you had been cheated, but you exerted an effort and it was not reciprocated. So, maaring ganun yung nangyari. So, what are the things that you needed to address from it? So, why have you been always feeling deceived and feeling cheated? So, ano yung nagiging pattern? So, it's time for you to reassess that. So, why have you been experiencing deceptions and lies, betrayal, efforts not being reciprocated? Kasi if you wanted change in your reality, the change that you want should start within you. It's not the situation that will be changing for you, my dear Aquarius, but you're the one who needs to adapt to the certain changes into your reality. So, kung gusto mo magbago yung buhay mo, yung love life mo, yung career mo, the change that you want should start within you. Okay? So, let's see. What more? For the healing, for the star. Clarify this star, please. Clarify. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. So with the star again, healing from burdens. So it's time for you to focus on healing, literally. So it's time for you to focus on your healing rather than having hopes that all of your dreams will coming true. Pero you had to put in the work, the inner work. So when we say inner work, you need to address ano yung mga certain things that you had been experiencing and why have you been experiencing it in a repetitive pattern. So it's time for you to address them. What burdens you? What are the certain traumas that you had been carrying? Kasi for some of us, we haven't totally addressed them and we are bringing them to every opportunities that we come across. So nagpa-pile up na siya kasi hindi natin siya ina-address. So with the Knight of Pentacles, clarify the Knight of Pentacles, please. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. Kindly give me the clarification for the Knight of Pentacles. So for the Knight of Pentacles, kasi you are totally obsessing about the outcome. You are dwelling on the negativity, fear, doubts, anxiety, na pag nangyari to, kailangan gawin ko na agad. So it's time for you to slow down. You are acting out of fear, my dear Aquarius. So it's time for you to slow down. Huwag kang magmadali to achieve the certain outcome. The more na nagmamadali ka with the outcome, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So it's time for you to give yourself the kind of love, care, value, respect that you deserve. Kasi how you are treating yourself, how you are valuing yourself, how you are respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from other people around you. So let's see what is the energies for your career, work life, business life for the month of May. What are the energies? Angel, spirit, universe, ancestors, what are the energies or what will be the focus? So Eight of Swords. Maaring, my dear Aquarius, you are holding yourself back. You are telling yourself that you are not worthy, you are not good enough for the opportunity coming your way. You are restricting yourself. So for you to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you by being the first one to like, love, respect, and value the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. And for you to be able to achieve success, you had to step outside of your comfort zone. Kasi for some of us, we're the one holding ourselves back in the, certain opportunities around us. Kasi nauunahan tayo ng fear, ng takot that we will not be able to sustain it. Might be we are not worthy of that. So it's time for you to remove the limitations that you're imposing yourself, and it's time for you to step outside of your comfort zone. So what is the obstacles other than the Eight of Swords? So you are the one creating your reality, my dear Aquarius. So if you're the one doubting yourself, criticizing yourself, you're holding yourself back. So it's time for you to be strategic. It's time for you to strategize and also not be impulsive in making decision. Kasi sometimes when we make drastic decision, we'll regret it. Okay? Don't make decision when you're angry, when you're frustrated, when you're emotional. So, come from a place of practicality and logical. Okay? When making a certain decision. So, don't make drastic decision when you're angry, when you're frustrated, when you are in doubt, when you are in fear. Kasi that decision that you're going to be made in those certain circumstances, you cannot take it back anymore. Hindi mo na pwedeng bawiin yon. So when it comes to your financial situation, what are the energies coming your way, my dear Aquarius, Angel, Spirit, Universe? So stability and security. So might be someone will be providing for you in your financial situation. May tutulong sa'yo when it comes to your financial situation. Might be you are encountering obstacles and challenges when it comes to your financial situation, and someone will be helping you out, providing stability and security. Or other than that, you will be owning up for all of the certain things that you had made in the past, and you are now focusing on finding stability and security within yourself. Kasi for some of you, you are not confident that you will be able to surpass kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo with regards to your financial situation. So ikaw dapat ang unang maniwala at magtiwala, maging kumpiyansa sa sarili mo, my dear Aquarius. So it's time for you to take accountability, take responsibility of your own decisions and your action, and don't let the outcome determine your measure up the value and worth that you deserve. So what is the obstacle that you needed to overcome? So deceptions and lies. So ang kailangan mo i-overcome when it comes to your finances, so be careful who you trust. Be careful who you share your certain plans, kasi not everyone has the best interest for you, my dear Aquarius. And also, don't let the circumstances determine your value and your worth as a person. Kasi nga, you might be giving too much of your power, your time, your effort, kumbaga parang to other people or the situation, letting it determine your value and your worth as a person. So, wag mong hayaan na yung ibang tao ang makapagsabi ng kung ano yung halaga and measure mo, value mo as a certain individual. So the more that you are giving other people the power to do that, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied pag hindi yun na-provide ng opportunity, hindi na-provide ng mga tao yung appreciation and recognition that you are longing from them. Okay? Don't give other people the power to measure up your value and your worth as a person, my dear Aquarius. Okay? So when it comes to your relationships, love life, situationship, whatever connection that you have, what are the energies coming your way? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the energies coming the way of my dear Aquarius for their relationship, their love life. Angel, Spirit, Universe. Okay. So, Five of Pentacles might be you are feeling that you are not worthy, you are not good enough for this certain relationship or connection. You feel na hindi ka sapat. Probably there is a difference between the two of you with regards to the connection that you have. Kaya you are doubting yourself, you are second guessing yourself, my dear Aquarius. So remember how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from other people around you. So it's time for you to be the first one to like, love, respect, and value the person that you're seeing in the mirror. So it's time for you to focus on you, eyes on you, rather than comparing yourself to other people, comparing yourself to the third party or other circumstances that is currently happening with your connection or your love life. It's time for you to focus on you. If you want to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship, with other people around you, my dear Aquarius, you need to have that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. Kasi you are your first soulmate. You are the first one to like, love, respect, and value the person that you are seeing in the mirror, which is you. So let's see what is the oracle guidance for you, my dear Aquarius. So the oracle guidance is regeneration. So it's time for you to have that sense of spark within you. Bring back to yourself the kind of love, care, value, respect that you deserve. Kasi for some of you, you had been focusing on giving away all of your time, love, effort, your energy to other people na nakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo. And you are basing your value and your worth as a person kung whatever people are going to do towards you. Wherein, kung ano man yung actions and decisions of people around you, it's only an additional, only their opinion. The important opinion here or perspective here is your perspective towards yourself. How are you treating yourself? How are you loving yourself? How are you valuing yourself? Okay? So, it's time for you to be flexible. It's time for you to learn the lesson that is provided by every obstacles and challenges that you're encountering. Remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, let's proceed on getting to know your angel messages. What is the angel messages for my dear Aquarius? Angel messages for my dear Aquarius. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, Angel. Oh, ang dami. So we have here number 15 and number 44. I am wise and I am supported. So your love for others is powerful and you are able to spread your gift of support far and wide. Your curious and social nature brings you to in contact with a variety of people. All would benefit from your warm, heartfelt words of wisdom. So your angels are encouraging you to continue on your present life path with diligence and determination, and even greater success will come in the future. Know that you are supported, you are divinely guided, my dear Aquarius. Everything that you're experiencing is meant for you to experience. Kailangan mo yun experience for you to learn a lesson from everything, every people that you are coming across with. So let's get you your affirmation, my dear Aquarius. Affirmation for my dear Aquarius. So your affirmation, I am releasing anything that no longer serves my highest good. So before you start something new, before you rekindle that spark within you, it's time for you to release people, situation, relationship, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. Kasi for you to welcome the new, you had to leave the old behind. You had to leave room for new energies to come in. So this is what I got for your reading, my dear Aquarius. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And also, if you wanted to avail my services, tarot or coaching program, kindly message me on Instagram or Facebook page, Soul Tribe PH or Coach Ana Santiago. Tarot for tarot reading, coach for coaching program, or you can go directly sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Maraming salamat. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye.